Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time you come across this video. My name is Oladepo. I am an over 60-year-old man with over 20 years UK civil service experience. I am nearing my retirement and I was looking for a way to go into tech to secure a better future for myself, and at the same time to looking for a position that will give me time to spend with my family and not to worry too much about income. So I was looking for a position where I can do some work at home or hybrid or less stress, because my work before includes working in the prison service and then into the home office. Now, going into tech, I was looking a way of going to tech, and I was doing a lot of self-study with YouTube video and other courses that I've joined in there, and I wasn't getting much anywhere until I came across Tenalytics. Tenalytics, I joined the BA program in May 2025. Now, I have to be completely honest in here. The teaching wasn't that much different from what you get from other teachings, people who are doing similar things, because to be quite honest, they are all copying Tenalytics and the teaching is similar, the tools is similar. The onus is on you to do everything that you've been told to do. But where I have to give Tenalytics their flowers, where I dove my hat off to them, is in the mentorship and coaching session. It is top notch. I have to say special thank you to Efemina and Adeza, because they take your journey personally. It is personal to them. They want to ensure that you succeed. So right from the fourth week, I started applying for jobs. And that time we've only done Excel, Power BI, and SQL. In fact, we've not even started SQL fully. But in the mentorship section, they keep telling me, just apply. When you see the job, you see the essential, all the criteria they put in there. I was told that it's all a shopping list. Don't discourage yourself. Don't disqualify yourself before the recruiter disqualify you. Because if you say, oh, I don't have everything, and then you don't apply, you're only knocking yourself out. So they drill that into me. And in the mentorship and coaching section, they are bringing people from the industry, people who are working in there, and they are giving us tips. And I mean, the optimization of the CV, linking and everything, that is powerful. It's top notch. But I also have to give special flowers, special thank you to the person who prepped me for my interview, in the person of Joshua Akinola, who is the head of the BA program. Thank you so much. He believed in me much more than I believe in myself. And he's telling me, just apply for the position. Go for it. I'm sure you can do it. You've got the industry knowledge and everything. And because initially I wanted to stay within the security of the civil service of the UK government. But guess what? This is exactly where I now have multiple offers as data scientist to work with the UK government. I can't thank you guys enough. It's been wonderful. And not only that, now I've got the offer. Now I can choose which of the positions I want to go into. I've now also been transferred into Amdari, where the support is still ongoing, where I can get to practice what I'll be doing. Because you can say, what is my background? Yes, I did computer science, but that was over 30 years ago, and I've never worked with it. But now, coming back into tech again, they make it so easy and so seamless, and I'm excited. And my advice to you, if you are coming now, regardless of the age, Come on, look, I'm over 60 and I'm breaking into tech. So you can do it. You just have to put the time in there. Tenalytics are ready to support you. They will hold your hand. They will guide you. And I'll say, don't waste time. Come on board, join us. And I look forward to see you on the program. I will be coming back when they ask me to come and give testimonial live. I will do it because I am that excited. Thank you so much. God bless.